Are you looking for the best budget 3D printers? In this video, we will look at some of the best budget 3D printers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Sovol SV06 ACE 3D Printer. The Sovol SV06 ACE is a mid-scale 3D printer that is both fast and affordable. Though it's not a big printer, it has plenty of real estate for medium-scale prints without needing to rearrange your whole workshop. Based on Prusa's open-source i3, it features a few extra touches added by Sovol. It has a high-flow hot end, built-in camera for monitoring prints, and, of course, the vanilla clipper for speed and precision. The Sovol SV06 ACE is a 3D printer boasting impressive features, including 600mm per second top speeds, automatic bed leveling, dual Z-axis motors, vibration reduction, and a direct drive extruder capable of printing at temperatures up to 300 degrees Celsius. With 3D printers getting more complex, it's refreshing to find one that keeps it simple. During testing, I printed numerous dragons and experimented with highly detailed jewelry boxes and textured bowls, which came out clean and sharp-looking. Number 2. Creality Ender 3v3 SE 3D Printer. The Creality Ender 3v3 SE is simply the best budget FDM 3D printer you can buy today. It's an ideal beginner-friendly machine that is packed with deluxe features and retails at an affordable $199. The Ender 3v3 SE is easy to use as it comes almost fully assembled and only took us 15 minutes to build before we were ready to get printing. Creality includes a printed manual to guide you through the building process as well as installing or changing filaments. Video instructions are also available online for your convenience. With a maximum speed of 250mm per second, the V3 SE may not be among the fastest 3D printers around today, but it's faster than the Anycubic Kobra Neo, our previous best budget pick, which had a max speed of 60mm per second. Our tests turned out clean prints, some with tiny wisps like with the Dom Sculpt's Chibi Totoro. It's also smaller than the Kobra Neo, so it takes up less space, but it has the same build volume, 220 by 220 by 250mm, and has a slightly bigger LED interface with knob controls. Sadly, it does not have a touchscreen or Wi-Fi support. It does have CR Touch for auto bed leveling and a Sprite Direct Drive, which are features reserved for Creality's premium models like the S1. Number 3. Bambu Lab A1 Mini 3D Printer. Some of the best things come in small packages, and this is so true with Bambu Lab's A1 Mini. This tiny machine is capable of producing nearly flawless multicolor models in record time. It can print at a maximum speed of 500mm per second and go toe-to-toe with its big brothers without breaking a sweat, thanks to its excellent input shaping. This is why it lands a place in our 3D printer speed hierarchy as one of the fastest printers we've tested. The A1 Mini is also packed with the premium features from Bambu Lab that we've come to expect, from automatic bed leveling, flexible PEI-coated build plate, easy-to-navigate smart menu, and its all-metal direct drive hot end that can reach up to 300 degrees. It comes almost fully assembled and makes it easy for new makers to put the rest together and start color printing right away. It's also a very quiet machine, so you can have a job running at odd hours or during a call and not even hear it working. Number 4. Anycubic Kobra 3 Combo 3D Printer. The Anycubic ACE Pro supports nozzle clog detection, minimizing filament tangling, and also supports auto-loading and unloading the filament to eliminate messes. 55 degrees Celsius high temperature keeps filaments dry at all times and stays filaments dry in any scenario to ensure greater printing quality. At speeds of up to 600mm per second, Anycubic Kobra 3 Combo sets the standard for high-speed printing. Max acceleration is 20,000mm per second. Recommended speed is 300mm per second. Compared to regular FDM 3D printers, the speed has improved 12 times, and it just only takes 11 minutes and 30 seconds to print a boat. Smart connectivity, slicing, and coloring. Also supports real-time monitoring remote control LAN mode and more interesting functions. More printing fun coming your way. Unleash the ultimate printing experience with Anycubic Kobra 3 Combo. Number 5. Elegu Neptune 3 Pro FDM 3D Printer. The new direct drive extruder is made of SUS 303 high-quality stainless steel with a 3:1 reduction ratio and stronger extrusion force for smoother filament feeding and more stable and accurate printing, which greatly reduces nozzle clogging and under-extrusion issues. Printing effect is better than Bowden extruder. Compatible with multiple filaments such as PLA, TPU, PETG, and ABS. The nozzle kit contains a TC4 titanium alloy throat pipe, an aluminum alloy flat heat sink structure, and a brass nozzle. The widened aluminum heat sink paired with a front close-fitting efficient cooling fan for a better heat dissipation effect and lower the temperature of the throat pipe, thereby reducing the possibility of nozzle clogging. Autobed leveling adopts a high-precision sensor to automatically scan 36, 6x6 points of a hotbed and collect data in real time, and then adjust the Z-axis height to compensate for any irregularities and unevenness of the printing platform, only applicable to metal printing platforms. The printer will auto-pause when the filament runs out or breaks, and you can resume printing after a power outage.